content. Roblox is crap. Oh man, I should have known someone was gonna use the title "Bad Setups" against me. That's some high-hanging fruit. You got me. Well, you play Roblox. You sound like you were 20 years old. Get a life. Yeah, I wish I was 20, dude. WTF, dude. You're like 18 and you play Roblox. Social life level minus 100. 18. That's even better than 20. Ha ha ha. Saw this on my recommended for some reason, and I thought it was a joke, but it's actually a fully grown man going on about Roblox. Okay, why does everyone think I'm an adult? First, this guy said I'm 20, then this guy said I'm 18, and now I'm in between the ages of 25 and 30. These people are really adult talking making this content about 20 years old. Pretty sure you can understand it. I know viral. This is bad. Think bad jokes viral. Also funny, explaining it as a relationship. That is not a good display at all, and you need to make sure of the country. I know you're joking, but I realize this is like I got sad. You're sad. You're sad. Right. Sad. Sad. You don't just ask for advice. I'm going to be honest, this guy's putting my warranty on the back of the game. Ryan, all of your videos, the first one, I think my videos better. I want to run that. Also, rating is because I sucked at Fortnite. Kill yourself, like 17 years old and making Roblox content. I mean, you got half of my age, right? 2 times 17 is 34. Also, how pathetic do you have to be to tell me to kill myself for making Roblox videos when you make GTA hack videos and you shamelessly made a video on a mod menu named after the N-word? Lifeless Albert stuff copy. Kill yourself, please. Hey, if you could not associate my country with dank memes, that would be great. Thank you. You are... How hard it is to do that. Look at the website for 3 seconds. For 3 seconds. Growing man playing Roblox. Wow, you're good playing against a bunch of 4-year-olds. Hey, thanks, man. You're pretty good at running and then dying. What's gonna happen? What?